Hey, this is Larry from the Man Store. We're going to be talking about a new glove that Radians puts out. It's an ANSI 4 cut level glove. It's made of a great Dyneema fabric. ANSI cut level 4. So when you're looking for ANSI 4, make sure you're getting ANSI 4 and not EN4, which is European standard. The EN4 might be an ANSI cut level 2, maybe a low 3 at best. So look for the ANSI 4. Here, check out the nitrile coating on this glove. Great grip. It's resistant to chemicals, to oils. It's reinforced in the thumb area. We've got great back of the hand protection. So as far as grip, you know, if you're grabbing things on the job, if you are using certain types of tools and you need confidence and dexterity in grabbing your tools and not dropping them, this is an excellent glove for that job. If you're working in an environment where unforeseen knuckle buster can happen, or such as that, or maybe you're working around really sharp objects, okay, and you need that quality glove to eliminate those trips to the hospital because of hand cuts. Hand cuts are one of the most preventable accidents out in the field, costing companies thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars. Switching to a glove like this will cost justify themselves your gloves maybe for a year or two. So when you need dexterity, when you need grip, when you need to help eliminate hand cuts, check out this glove. You'll find it at themanstoreonline.com, along with a host of other safety and PPE. I'm Larry, and thanks for checking us out.